Hello everyone, I'm Big Solo and welcome to this video tutorial. Are you aware that in 35 business days you will be able to double up your investment? Yes, you heard me right. 35 business days you will be able to double up your investment. And the good aspect here is that people have been doing this consistently since 2023. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can also do that. Before then, I want you to join our community whereby we show people the newly business opportunity on how to make money online sitting at your comfort of your home. So this platform is called ST. Now, the ST is a group of professional traders who have been in the trading industry for the past 10 years. Now, this ST organization has recently partnered with a CBEX exchange. Now, CBEX is an exchange like Binance, L-Bank, all those exchange that you know, being forex trading exchange or crypto trading exchange. That is how CBEX also operates. Now, in combination with ST, now ST provide 100% winning signals to all the members that trade on CBEX platform. So when you register your account with CBEX, ST is going to provide you a signals that these signals are 100% win. And I'm going to explain to you the reason why I said it's 100% win in my next video. On every single day, ST is going to provide you 2 signals. And since then, all these 2 signals are always win. So with the help of the signals, you are going to be double up your investment capital. The good aspect here is that every signals takes just less than 2 minutes to enter. And within 20 minutes, the trade has to be executed and your profit will be added to your capital immediately. Now, the next day, you are going to trade again. For example, if you start with $500 and you enter a trade, maybe you made like $20 a day. So today, you made $520. With the help of compound interest, tomorrow, you are going to start the trading with $520. And with this, within 35 days, you will be able to double up your investments. People have been doing this consistently since 2023. And since then, people have been making consistent profits. I myself heard about this opportunity somewhere early last year, 2024. I did not take note of that. I did not consider that. But recently, I decided to give it a try. And everything is working perfectly. Since I started, they put me in their Telegram channel. And funny enough, they have up to 5 Telegram channels. And I am in the channel 5. And only the channel 5, we are almost 30,000 members trading consistently, and everybody always win in this trading journey. Okay, so this is not an ROI system. This is just a trading platform or a trading exchange whereby you can put your investment and every single day invest just 10 minutes of your time buying, execute trade, and make consistent profit. If you want to participate in this program, all you need to do first is to create your account with an CBEX exchange. All right, which I provide you the link in the video description. You can go there, download the app, or create your account on the web browser and start investing. You can invest up from $300 and above, and every single day you are going to be provided 2 signals. Okay, 2 signals. Once your account is successfully registered, you are going to be added to the Telegram channel where they are going to provide you the signals. Please, if you like this video, subscribe to our community. Let's grow a successful community together. The community is for me and you, whereby we are going to learn, we are going to share, and we are going to motivate ourselves on how to make money online. If you have any opportunity that you think the community deserves to know, we can look into it and then share it among the community. If you are already in ST trading platform, I want to see you in the comment section. Just tell me your experience and let people know how this business has been helping people. Thank you, and see you in our next video.